To utilize your Uber credit, start by opening the Uber app, where you can check your balance by navigating to the Wallet section within the Account tab, located at the bottom right corner. To apply your credit to a ride, simply begin the ordering process. Select your destination, and then choose your preferred vehicle. Below the car options, toggle on the Uber Cash payment method and proceed to request your ride. If you want to use your Uber credit for food delivery, open the Uber Eats app, add your desired items to the cart, and then proceed to checkout. At this point, locate the payment method section beneath the total amount, toggle on the Uber Cash option, and complete your order. In most cases, your Uber credit will be automatically applied to your order. And if the credit is insufficient to cover the entire cost, your default payment method will cover the remaining balance. Using your Uber credit is a straightforward process that can be completed with ease.